Now we're back with the mysterious murder-suicide last year in Union County, where nobody's sure what happened. Wait, is that shaking? What's going on? Is this an earthquake? That was an earthquake. Not very heavy, but that was surely an earthquake. The epicenter wasn't in Charlotte from what I felt. We'll go to a commercial break.
As your truck can only haul gravel. Introducing the new 2018 Ford F-150 with best-in-class towing, best-in-class payload, and best-in-class torque. The F-150 lineup has the capability to get big things to big places.
The following message is requested by the United States Geological Survey. Due to recent seismic activity throughout the East Coast, a major earthquake is expected to happen. Evacuations are not mandatory at this time. However, there is a voluntary evacuation in the following counties in North Carolina: Wake, Durham. It is recommended you pack an emergency kit in case of an emergency. Citizens are instructed to prepare for an earthquake. The following message is requested by the United States Geological Survey. A 9.4 earthquake has been reported throughout the United States, originating from an epicenter in Clayton, North Carolina. All citizens are advised to look out for gas leaks and down power lines. Shut off all gas. Only call 911 if you have an emergency. Damage reports are flowing in from across North Carolina. A major fire is spreading throughout the Raleigh metropolitan area. Several buildings have fully
Live from Clinton, Jackie Quinn is reporting damage from the major earthquake that just occurred. What do you have? Thank you. Currently, roads are closed across the area. Downtown Clayton is split in half. Quite literally. Business 70 is split in half from Walmart to the Novo Nordisk Platte. Most of Clayton is on fire. This is a North Carolina thing. However, well, this isn't just a North Carolina thing. However, this is felt as far west as Las Vegas and as far north as Toronto. It's pretty crazy here. The Walmart reported to be in a full right now, and moments ago, Johnson County Public Schools has announced it will be closing till further notice. Wait, what?
The following message is requested by the Johnston County Emergency Management. An evacuation order issued for Clayton town limits. The Novo Nordisk plant and the Coca-Cola distribution center are experiencing chemical fires, releasing toxic clouds over Clayton. All citizens are ordered to evacuate Clayton town limits or else you will face certain death.
One beer, I'm having a record year. Quarter notes and Hank's halftime. A pounding on this a heart of mine. Song to song, I pass my time with these speakers on 10.
The following message is requested by the Raleigh Police Department. RDU International is currently underwriting. RDU is also closed until further notice. Do not participate in these riots. Raleigh Police Department is attempting to quell the riots. Small fires have also been started within the terminals. Raleigh Police Department advises all citizens to avoid the area.
WTSB is returning with more earthquake coverage. Downtown Clayton is still evacuating citizens nearby the Novo Nordisk plant and the Coca-Cola processing facility in Clayton. Power is out for many throughout the East Coast. Duke Energy is reporting that they're working hard to restore power, however, taking caution due to fallen power lines across the East Coast. We will keep you updated on WTSB Johnson County Report.